welcome back to my channel for another fun Ruggable unboxing. Today I have two fallish type of prints in here that I will be putting down in our living room and my kitchen. I'm actually replacing the Sima abalone kitchen rugs that I have. One of them is a 2x3, the other is a 2.5x7, and the one in my living room is the Delfina powder pink 5x7 rug. And if you guys want to see an unboxing for that particular rug, I will link it right here for you. That rug has been amazing. I know a lot of you guys were like, but it's white. And how's it gonna hold up to 3 boys and a husband and me and my cat and my dog? And it's just been great. I actually haven't even washed it once, but today we are washing it, and we are washing my kitchen rugs as well. The ones in my kitchen have been washed several times and they look amazing every time that I wash them and put them back down. The one in my living room has never been washed. So we are going to do that today as well. But today also we are unboxing those two new fallish prints that I was telling you about. I have their Morris & Co. pink and rose burgundy 5x7 cover, and I also have their Piper plaid neutral colored rugs. I thought they looked really good together online, so hopefully that's the case. But especially for my kitchen, I needed it to blend well with the Sima abalone rug because that is adjacent to this room. So that's why I chose the plaid for this room and more of a busy print for the living room because that's like separate from the kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. I'm not sure which is in which box, so we will be surprised together. Here we go. I can't wait to put these down because I feel like once I do, then I will actually want to get my act together and actually decorate for fall. So this is like the first step to me doing that. And speaking of that, I wanted to know if you guys would rather see a decorate with me type of video for fall, or would you like another fall walkthrough? Please comment down below and let me know. And I may actually write a poll on this video as well because I've never done that before. So let me know what you guys would like to see. Ooh, this is so perfect. Ooh, this color is so perfect and super neutral. Like I could probably use this all year round and it would be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. I also wanted to let you guys know I do have a referral link for those who have never shopped Ruggable before. You'll get 15% off your purchase. I will leave that link down below. For everybody else, I would love if you guys would shop Ruggable with me, and I will leave a commissionable link down below for you guys as well for all the things in this video. All right, so this, it looks like they must have shipped 1 in this box and 2 in this box, because this one only has the 1. So this is the 2.5x7 foot runner. There you go. It's a pretty good look at the size of this. Is, you know, this, I'm 5'2". This is all I can do for you guys. But I really like it. I think it's gonna look really pretty in here with all of my aqua stuff. And it also looks really good with the print on the floor, which is great because it's, like I said, adjacent to the room over there that has the really big Sima abalone rug. So you may notice in this video that I do not have any of the mats because the great thing about Ruggable is that once you purchase a pad in the size you like and the size you need, and you just continue to buy covers for that instead of having to get another mat each time, which is great. So I just replace the covers every year. It's a lot cheaper than doing a full-on whole rug system. So this was the Piper plaid neutral rug. I love that one. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna look so good in here. I can't wait to put these down. All right, the next box, hopefully this has both rugs in it because this one is definitely heavier, but it should be anyways because it has the 5x7 cover in it. Ooh, this color is so pretty for fall. I wasn't 100% sure online if it was gonna be the right colors, but I think it's gonna be really pretty. Okay, and there is my 2x3 in here as well. So this is the 2x3 in the Piper neutral plaid. It's the perfect size to go right in front of the sink. I love mine, and also the mats that I have in my kitchen are the padded mats, which I highly recommend for kitchen use because of fatigue and all that. And the one in my living room is just their flat one because nobody's just standing on that one. So this is so pretty, you guys. Look at that. I gotta put this other one down. All right, I'm gonna try my best to show you guys this, but you will see it in full size when I put it down in the living room. This is so pretty. so much better in person. I love the colors. All right, here it is. I have it long ways, that kind of works for me. What do you guys think? Isn't that so pretty? I do a lot of oranges and reds and golds and colors like that during fall, so I thought this would be really pretty to help bring out all those colors. It's so pretty. So what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these other covers, and then we're going to put the new ones on, and then I think I'm gonna throw these all in the wash together. So you guys will get to see how that works. But it's pretty easy, honestly. Ruggable really does make it easy, and they're dryable too in the dryer, so that's great. So let's get started. Okay, so we're all ready to take our covers off. The very first thing I always do is I like to vacuum up all of the pet hair and dirt and things like that. It just makes the cleaning process a lot easier, especially when you put it in the dryer. So I like to use my Dyson Outsize Total Clean. It's a fabulous vacuum. I will link you guys to my review for it right here. But it has the eco option, so it does a really gentle cleaning so that it doesn't ruin the rug. And you can also adjust the suction as well, so it goes on a higher or lower pile type of rug. So that's what I'm gonna use today on all 3 of the rugs, and then we're gonna go wash them. So let's go. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys just these 2 rugs in the kitchen alone, why it's important to vacuum them before you guys wash them. My dog sheds a lot. If you guys know Emma, she's a Cavalier, she sheds a lot, and then so does my cat. So it's kind of a culmination of both. But yeah, let's go ahead and vacuum the other one too. Now that we've cleaned all the rugs, let's take off the covers. Super easy. Let's go wash these. Okay, now we're ready to put our brand new rug cover on. I can't wait to see this on here. I just know it's going to really make me want to start decorating for fall. So let's get started. These bigger ones are always a little bit more difficult to put on, but I like to start at the corners and then gently work my way through and smoothing as I go. Those biggest rugs are always the most difficult to do, but they look so good when they're all dressed up and done. So let's go ahead and move on to our 2x3 and our 2.5x7 in this beautiful neutral plaid. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the easy one, which is my 2x3, and then we will move on to the 2.5x7. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the covers. And because once I started carrying these, I realized how heavy they were. I'm going to wash the large one on its own and then the two smaller ones together. So come on over and I will show you guys all the settings you need to wash your Ruggables. So here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and put my large Ruggable. This is the Delfina Pink, powder pink. Like I mentioned, this is a 5x7 cover. We're going to go ahead and put it all the way around the agitator down in here. And so that's what it looks like down in there. The two things I'm using today are this OxiClean White Revive. Since it is a white rug, I want to brighten that white back up without using bleach. And then I'm using this Tide Free and Gentle. Normally I'd like to use the OxiClean detergent because it's just so good, but that's all I've got right now, so it works though. So I'm gonna do some of that white bright. And if you have a colored rug, then you can also use their stain fighting laundry brightener, and that works great too. So because this rug is just one rug in here, I'm only going to do up to line 1. All right, let's get started. Normally I would do a delicate load, but because this rug has some stains on it because it's white, I'm going to go ahead and do a normal load, but kind of set it up as a delicate load. So temperature is going to be cold, rinse only one time, spin speed is going to be pretty low. I'm going to say it has heavy soil because of all the stains. And I'm going to do a pre-soak because I want to make sure that that stain fighter really gets in there. And that's it. Let's press start. When it comes to drying your rugs, you're going to turn it on. Definitely put it on delicate, which is going to make it a very low temp. I like to always bump mine up a little bit higher for dryness, and then I always turn on my wrinkle prevent, and that's it. These things are super easy to wash and dry, and they look so good when they're all done. Well, I just pulled my Delfina powder pink rug out of the laundry, and it looks brand new. Super clean. That bright white came out bright white, so very happy with how it turned out. Love Ruggable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. If you'd like to see more fun content like this. If you're a first-time Ruggable shopper, you can get 15% off of your very first order using my referral link down in the description below. And for everybody else, I would love if you guys would shop with me through the links down in the description box. Thanks for watching.